Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how students can receive any feedback that you have left for them in Edpuzzle. So it is important that they complete the whole assignment. That means they have to watch the whole video in order for them to actually receive the feedback that you have given them. Once they go into that class and they click on their completed videos and they show their video, they can click on the video to see their results. From there, they can get their grade, but you scroll down and then you can see this was an open-ended question. I graded it after the fact. Only the multiple choice are auto-graded. They are able to see those responses right away, whether they got it right or wrong. But for these open-ended questions, I had to go back in and grade it later. This question was correct. I gave 100 on this, but I gave some feedback underneath, and you can see that this is a little comment that I gave them. If students get a question incorrect, I usually correct it for them there, or I leave them a little note about what they did incorrectly. Now, students can comment, maybe ask you a clarifying question to the comment that you have left for them, but you need to make sure that you're checking back and forth if you want to have that type of communication with your students. For me, I just leave them comments, and then they can follow up with me with any questions that they have. This one was just correct. I didn't leave a comment at all. And then this one, again, was auto-graded because it was a multiple choice type of question. So students can always go back to review their work by going to their completed assignments and then showing those and then clicking in to show results. Make sure that they're actually scrolling down to see any comments that you have left them. So that is a quick little summary of how students can receive their feedback in Edpuzzle. Bye.